ipXers, welcome to Sensors Converge 2025. We're here in Silicon Valley where we'll be talking to Murata about their Type 2 NR IoT module. It uses Bluetooth 6 and is 7 by 7 millimeters. Tiny stuff. Let's go talk to Yong. Thank you very much for joining me.
Thank you.
So this is what ipX is all about. We're seeking out the newest thing, and this is coming out when?
Q4 this year.
Q4. So this is a IoT module from Murata. And what communication protocol does it use?
It's the BLE6.
BLE6.
Yeah.
Brand new.
Brand new.
I even thought if something uses 5.3, I think, wow, that's so new, but BLE6, amazing. What's under the hood? Tell me about this, because I don't think everybody at home can see how small this module is, but it is tiny.
It is small.
Could you tell me a little bit about this?
Yes. So this is a BLE module based on Nordic latest generation.
Awesome.
The RFM54 family.
NRF54,
Yeah.
perfect.
We're using NRF54 L15 ICs inside the module.
Awesome.
Yeah. So this module supported BLE6. It also supported 802.15.4 radio.
Yep.
So which means can support Zigbee and OpenThread.
Right, and what surprises me most about this is how small it is. Could you tell our audience how small it actually is?
Yeah, of course. So this module is measured as 7 by 7.4 millimeter, and the height is just 1 millimeter.
Can you believe that? 7 by 7.4 millimeters.
And more than that,
so
we have onboard antenna included in that dimension.
Wait, so the antenna is actually on this?
Yes. Yeah.
Where?
Antenna, the black area underneath
Oh
the
my
antenna.
God. So you don't even need an external antenna with this. It's integrated
optional, but we have default. Yeah.
Amazing. Okay.
Yeah.
So sometimes these chip antennas aren't the best. What sort of distance can I expect from this at full power?
Yeah. With proper PCB design, communicated to a phone, you can reach more than 70 meters in line of sight scenario.
70 meters.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. So let's talk about this. So this is a tiny little chip, and oftentimes when we have tiny little chips, we talk about power. Because when you have tiny little chips, they're usually powered by batteries, just like on the back here. What sort of power usage can I expect from this? How many microamps when it's sleeping?
So regarding the power consumption, this chipset is excellent, and this modules offer you at the TX 0 dBm output power level, we have a 5 milliamp.
5 milliamps, 0 dBm TX
Yeah,
power. Okay.
And for TX, we're receiving it's a 3.2 milliamp.
Wow.
And the most important for IoT application, most cases you're in sleep mode.
Yes,
This sleep
exactly.
mode is 3 microamp.
3 microamps at 3 volts.
Yeah.
Amazing. All right, so let's put it into the engineer's mind. What are the applications for this?
Yeah. The target application is IoT applications.
IoT.
So
Yep.
IoT means basically,
Big, broad category.
basically
Yeah.
means everything.
Yes, it does.
So, from a smart home, smart energy, smart city, medical, healthcare, everything you can, right? So
Yeah.
everybody understand what a BLE is.
Yes.
And this module with this IC offer from Nordic give you a pretty powerful MCU platform so you can program your software.
Yep.
And it offers you big chunk of memory and flash and 32 I/O pins with all kind of interface support. And also it supports the NFC Type A tag. So
Okay, very useful.
you can utilize all the resources from IC vendor of our partners. You can get all the support. You can do whatever you want. So
Right.
what we offer from module point of view is built-in antenna, fully certified on the RF point of view, and easy to use the software from our IC vendor again. So
Great.
For
And that's
the-
Nordic SDK that we
Yes.
can use to program this,
Exactly.
which so many people nowadays are completely used to because Nordic is taking over the world and so on to Bluetooth.
Yes.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
That is really good. So yeah, they can use Nordic SDK to program this. It's very easily battery powered, very small unit.
It's very friendly to battery-powered application.
So this is a brand new product, and right now it's not quite released to the public, but we're expecting that in Q4. What is the name of this little guy?
We call it a Type 2 NR.
Type 2 NR. Amazing. And do you have dev kits for it as well? Because when it comes out, no one will know how to use it. So
Yes, so we're gonna have the samples and the evaluation kit available in a couple of months.
Amazing. Beautiful. Young, thank you very much for
Thank
bringing
you.
me through the Type 2 NR.
Thank
This is fantastic. The absolute bleeding edge of Bluetooth technology. It's Bluetooth 6 for crying out loud. This is a great piece of tech. You'll be able to find out way more. We'll have a website article with everything you need to know at ipXchange. Remember, like, subscribe, and stay disruptive.